Hello viewers, my name is Deepak Kumar Verma and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I built this professional portfolio website using Lovable AI. If you missed it, check out the video popping up in the top right corner. Today we are going to modify this website and make it even better. As a developer, I can edit the code directly. But if you are not a coder, I will show you easy way to make these changes too. Let's get started. I have already opened this project in my Lovable's dashboard, and before starting editing, I would like to show you how many credits I have left. So I am going to visit in my profile and you can see I have 5 credits left. So first thing first, I would like to replace this developer's image with mine, and in order to do so, I will visit at the very bottom and you can see there is an arrow icon. You have to click on it. It will help you to select elements and sections. So click on it and let's hover over the element which you want to change. In my case, it is image. I have hovered on the image and you can see it's been highlighted. Let's click on it. Once you will click on the image, you can see the image has been selected in Lovable's chat box. Now type your modification which you want and hit enter button. Now I am going to attach my image here. Great, my image has been uploaded here. I have told the Lovable that replace the current image with the attachment, and after that I will click on this arrow icon. Great, Lovable has started the process and it will take some time to get reflected the result. Great guys, as you can see Lovable has replaced the image. It seems like a jinn. You are asking for a wish and it is fulfilling your wishes. So this is how the AI has become smarter nowadays. So guys, let's go and check how many credits we have left. As we can see, we have left only 3.60 credits. So every time when you do some changes, it will charge you some credit. Okay, now this time we are going to perform changes in the texting. Here we can see it is written mern apps in spite of having mern stack. So I will change the texting apps to stack. And in order to perform this action, we have to visit at the very bottom and you can see a little T icon. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, let's go and hover over the text which you want to change and click on it. Now press the back button and type whatever changes you want. Once you are satisfied with the changes, come at the bottom and click on send button. Now Lovable will start some process and it will reflect the result. Great guys, as we can see it's been changed. Okay guys, one more thing I have to tell you. Let's check how much credit we have spent to do changes in the texting. Okay, in order to see our credits, we have to visit our profile section and you can see we haven't charged any credit yet to do changes in the texting. So you can do changes in the texting free of cost in Lovable. Okay guys, let's imagine that if you have performed any action but later you have changed your mind and you want to get back your older version, then you can always do it. And there are two options to do it. First option, you can visit here and you can click on this little arrow icon. Okay, and the second option is you can visit at the top side and you can click on this clock icon. Once you will click on it, you will be able to see all the changes which you have performed and you can click on this arrow icon to get it revert back. Okay, but now we will go and explore another options which we have in Lovable. At this time, I will visit here at the very bottom and I will click on this pencil icon. What it will do, it will help you to draw a shape. Through this you can select any text, you can select any sections, images, and we call it annotation. Once you will draw, the annotation must be arrived in here, Lovable's chat box. Guys, as we can see, the annotation has been selected and you can see the annotation in the Lovable's chat box. Now you can perform any action which you want. Let me perform an action here. I will make this title in gradient color of red and yellow. After entering the prompt, you have to click on this arrow button. Now Lovable has started its heavy lifting and it will take some time to get reflected the result. Great guys, as you can see, it did a wonderful job here. So guys, now let's visit at the very bottom and let's explore the other options we have. Guys, as you can see, those options are not very much important, so we will skip these options. And one more action I'd like to perform before publishing the website. I'd like to revert back the original color of this heading, Hi, I am Deepak. So in order to do that, I will click on this little arrow icon. Great guys, let me check the output. It worked very well. We have got our previous output. And let's move on to the other options. This is comment option. You can visit any section and you can do comment on it. Okay, let me do comment on my image. And you have to click on this arrow icon. It is how simple. Okay, once you are satisfied with the changes, you can always publish your website. And in order to publish the website, you have to visit at the top right corner and you can see there is a publish button. You have to click on it. After that, Lovable will give you a URL. You can always edit it, but the suffix will be .lovable.app. Here in this case, I will type just Deepak. Okay, and I will click on this tick icon. As we can see, Deepak is not available here, so let me try with Deepak Kumar Verma. Let's try it. Great. Deepak Kumar Verma is available. Now we will click on this continue button. After that, we want to make it public, so I will let it be selected public and I will click on the continue button. We can always select here icon. We can always change the title and description. It will be used for the SEO purposes. You can also upload your social media banner if you have. If someone shares your website, then those details will be visible like icons, title, description and social image. So always prepare a good one. Click on this continue button and then we have to click on this publish. Now it will take some time and it will make your website live. Great guys, now our website has been published successfully. Now we can share our URL to someone else and he or she will be able to access our website. Okay, let me copy the domain name here and I'm going to paste it in the incognito mode to check if it works well or not. Great guys, as you can see, our website is working properly. Okay, let me close the window and let's explore other options we have. As you can see, we have left few options like preview, which is currently selected, and we have a files options. Currently I haven't created any file. Whenever you will click on the files, you won't be able to see any file here. Okay, now if you click on this code icon, then you will be able to see the project code here. You can view them, you can make any changes if you want. And if you click on this stack icon, then you will be able to access other features, like it will show you how many visitors you have, how many pages you have got, and other steps like if you want to do best SEO practice, then you can always visit here SEO and AI search. You can modify title, you can modify description and other steps. You can also see sitemaps here. Okay, if you want to check if you have any security vulnerabilities, then you have to click on this security tab, and in order to scan the site you have to click on deep security scan button. Okay, if you want to integrate payment gateways, then you have to click on the payments, and if you want to establish a cloud connection, then you have to click on the cloud menu. Okay, let's close this window now. Now scroll down to the form section. Here, currently this form is not working, and in the next video we will make it work. Till then, allow me to leave this conversation, and I wish you to have a wonderful day ahead.